Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we've got this one again, and today we are doing my boyfriend puts makeup on me.
Here we go.
Here we go. So I've got all makeup placed out. He just needs to choose what he thinks should go on my face. Yeah, so shall we start?
Good luck to you.
Do you know what?
I don't know how much I'm gonna put on, so if you have like massive chunks, yeah, massive eyes like that.
Okay, just try your best. He's gonna try his best. Do what he thinks is right.
I'm good at colouring in. Drawing. No, that's where it gets weird.
It's
So
not drawing.
you're basically drawing on your face, aren't you?
Drawing,
You're applying stuff on your
it's
face.
more like colouring in.
If you had outlines, that'd be very good. Pretty good.
Oh, is that colouring in, really?
Okay.
Just do what you think. You've seen me do makeup all the goddamn time, so what are you going to start with?
What do I start with?
I'm not allowed to tell you anything.
Matte. I'm trying to have a look at what this is first.
Don't, no,
How do you open it?
push.
Oh, you push. Looks weird. Okay, that's at the end. No? Is that another push? Oh no, it's cool. This hasn't even been used.
It has. Show them what you like using.
Am I using this first?
You, it's all up to you.
Bronzer. Bronzing. Where's bronzer going? Bronzer goes on last. No, it goes on. I'm just gonna put it on first. I don't know where it goes.
Right, the brushes are over there.
Makeup finishing spray. Yeah, that definitely goes on first.
Are you going to use the sponge? Or are you going to use brushes? There's brushes
You
here.
usually put stuff on first. You usually like wipe shit on.
So there's brushes
Oh no,
here.
no, no. I know what you do. No, you spray it. You put this on. Yeah, face to base. Do I put on this or do I put on you?
Okay. Okay.
Just let me do it. Oh, yuck. It's on myself. Yuck. I don't sweat like a normal person. Does it feel disgusting?
Make sure you don't get it on my piercings, okay?
You have 15 different pieces, so. This looks right. Wait, am I doing lipstick glass as well?
That's all up to you.
Does it like go into like your hair and shit sort of thing? Because you have little hairs that come down there. And how far down? I reckon I'm just gonna go like under here.
I'm very intrigued what you actually
No.
know.
I don't really pay attention when doing makeup, to be honest. Well, you say you want it to be a surprise, and I want it to be a surprise, so I usually just wait. I go, oh wow, she looks terrible. I'm just gonna put it into your eyebrows. Like, your eyebrows look disgusting. Well, I'll just do that. I should have done that first.
You're going to put more on.
Just the time. That probably didn't happen, did it?
Now, I don't know any, like I've got no mirrors in front of me, got no nothing, so I'm going to look after. So
And
I'm
look
looking-
how much. You're gonna be like, oh, I want you to do my makeup. I'm gonna say no.
Okay, well, I'm going to be...
I'll probably get this done quicker than you usually get it done. Oh, I'm done with that. What do I do? Do I just chuck over it?
Yeah.
What does that do? Does that like straighten your lashes out? Oh no, that's what this totally does. Wait, can you put the lashes on? Your lashes?
You have to look.
Your eyelashes? Well, I'm not putting eyelashes on.
No, we're not doing eyelashes. We're not doing fake eyelashes.
Okay. So that can I like rip them off?
You can't rip them off.
Face primer. What is that? Brown paint. That's lipstick. Oh!
That's what you think?
I don't know what it is. I'm gonna put this on your face. Oh, should I put it on my hand?
Before you put anything on my face, just show them what you're putting on my face, okay?
Elf. I'm My
Just
finger.
read
I'm
it.
just going to do it on my finger.
Just read it and
Primer.
tell.
You should put this on your face first. Who cares, honestly? Fucking bullshit. Yeah, it's really coming up. Oh. Shut up, Sarah.
Don't put too much, okay?
Why? It's expensive. Should use a big one.
Sorry, then what you're using?
I'm gonna use this bad boy. I don't know what it is. Stuff actually coming off. Yeah, you tell me if I'm putting too much on because I don't want to waste your shit. No, like, I don't want to waste your shit. On the lips. You use this other one.
That's a sponge!
I knew one of these was a sponge. What does that do?
Well, they just give it to you to apply it, but these are shit you don't really apply.
I'm going all out today. I'm just gonna. I'll just tell by your reaction. I'm just gonna do pink. Oh.
You should show them first!
I'll show them afterwards.
I'll show my brushes afterwards.
Can I say it? Oh.
He's using the BYS
hang
contour
on.
and highlight kit.
There it is. I can see on the back. Upside down. Don't. That's really pink.
Why are you putting it all
Because it's really pink on this side. I need to use more. It looks really weird. I'm sorry, Bubba. I've messed this up already. Well, can I use more?
You put it on your finger.
Putting the thing I did at the start. The face base. I need to fix this up. You look terrible. I'm sorry. That's a big chunk up there. Okay, this is a lot of makeup. This just looks like you're wearing sunscreen. It does, I'm sorry. It looks like you're wearing sunscreen. I'm gonna use NYX. The colourful stuff. Push. Oh, no.
What do you think this is for?
Yeah, thingos. Those. I'll show them to you. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go black. I'm not.
Whatever you think is good.
I'm gonna do. I'm gonna highlight this. I'm gonna use this colour. I'm thanks for that just because it looks cool. No, I don't know. I got it close there, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go all around the eyes, just make it look like a demon.
It's supposed to make me look pretty.
You look like you've got a black eye. Maybe this is a bad colour. Close it again. I've gone way too big. How do you get stuff off?
A makeup wipe.
I don't know if you'll be mad or start crying when you see this. I should just do your other eye while I'm at it and then wipe them both off.
What's the point of that then?
There's a lot on your eyes.
Yeah, why would you wipe it off and do the other eye?
Just stop talking. You're making me feel dumber. You don't see how much I've put on your face.
Yeah, but why would you do the other eye if you have to wipe it off?
Because I'll just wipe off both eyes while I'm at it.
That makes no sense.
That's usually like this. You look pretty like that, don't you? I should probably just redo this whole thing. Great, I'm going to redo the whole eye. I'm just going to redo the whole eye. Okay.
By the way, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It is my mum vacuuming. She decided to do it now for all time. But it should be over soon, so.
I'm sorry, doctor. I couldn't say that. You have to get rid of one of these.
I'm putting more on.
I have to. I took around the eyes off. You can open your eyes when I say I'm done. Yeah? Like before. Stop opening one eye, it's really creepy. I'm going back to this. I'm going to choose a different colour. One that isn't so noticeable. I'm trying to do this one. The second one. Do I need to like wash that off? You know what? Stop it. Stop it. No, I'm doing this. I'm actually doing a good job so far with this. I'm just going to this thing. Mac. Oh, it's black. If I drop this on the carpet, it will go.
Yeah, don't drop it on the carpet.
I always thought this was like a straightener. Oh shit, it's hard. You close? Are you supposed to? No, supposed to. Stop moving.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna work out. I hate this. I hate this already. Closing. Oh shit! Oh! You alright?
You put me in your...
Oh, who cares? Right now.
Who cares?
Right now. Right.
He's using this
Wee!
with this brush. Oh. You put it all over the face, are you?
Yeah. It's nothing glowy. $10,000 years later. I guess I'm using this. I'm using this, but obviously that.
You put it all over my face too?
Your eyes are really shit. I've done your eyes so bad. Brow stuff. Oh, so I'll get all of this.
What do you
Do
think?
I go across?
What do you think?
I'm not going to actually. What have I been doing your brows? I just stuff that up. Look, it's bright and early for me. I'm not left-handed, but I am today. I'm using this thing.
Oh, okay. Is that how you think it's supposed to do?
Oh.
This is the David Cosmetics in the shade 4. Lip liner. Here you go.
Oh, yeah, it's pencil. Start drawing. Oh, does it need to be sharpened?
No, it still works. Yeah. Go ahead, do what you think. The BYS Velvet Lips Liquid Lipstick. I should say it. It's
Just give it in.
the shade 10.
I've got any teeth.
How do you want my lips to be?
I don't know. Just leave it like that for now. Here you go.
What?
Just like rub it on your lip. One done. Oh, this. Up your eyes. That's it.
Okay.
Hang on.
I'm gonna get my trusty, dusty old mirror.
You're bleeding. Okay. Subscribe.
Oh, I look ugly.
Not much of a change though.
I have no idea why the hell you put eyeshadow here.
I didn't mean to. I was trying to think.
You just did it on my lashes. Like, you just supposed to went on my lashes.
I was trying to, but after you're trying to do the whole lash.
I look muddy.
Thanks.
My eyebrows are just crazy.
I think the lips was the best part.
Yeah. And you with the sides, like, all here, and like the mascara getting all through the eyeshadow, you chose like a good eyeshadow after the blackness. You didn't do much of the bronzer and the highlighter on it. Do you think I look pretty?
Did you just get some on my face?
No. Do you think I look pretty?
It's pretty June though. You look beautiful. Still even when I did makeup. Shit.
The bronzer is supposed to go here, just here. The blush is supposed to go just here, and the glowy thing, the highlighter, is supposed to only go here, maybe a bit on the nose. Yeah, the thing you put over your face we thought was glowy.
Oh.
I mean, it made the skin look a little better than it probably would have.
Oh, if you go over it, you'll see when I start doing the pink.
And see how the lines here? You're supposed to drag it down so it matches it.
Yeah, I was going to.
Because you put the pink all over my face, it does not match the skin.
Yeah, I know.
And it's supposed to.
I'm sorry.
I mean, it's better than I thought. How well did you think you did?
How well? Scale 1 to 10. 11. And a half, I reckon. 11 and a half.
No, seriously.
About a 2.
You thought you did 2 out of 10.
And the 2 was the, oh no. So I reckon I did 3 out of 10. Because I picked the right eyeshadow colour and then the lip line and the lipstick. 2 extra points. So it's 3 out of 10.
Okay.
Everything else was shit. So, do you agree?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to say that. You're supposed to say no, it's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby. 10 out of 10. Alright, that is it for this video. Comment below if you enjoyed it and if you think you did well.
No one's going to say that. Taj. Now he will pay me out.
Anyway, comment below any other videos you'd like to see from me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
Can I have a hat?
No.
Can I have my bucket hat?
Shh, no.
I swear every time she does a video, they've got to vacuum or make some noise. This family's crazy. She don't leave. I wonder if I'm even going to have a girlfriend after this. Should look this up.
Do you like my photo? You serious? No, is that my photo?
I will.
You are in it.
Huh?
You're in it.
Yeah, I like it. When I go on Instagram.
Can you go on Instagram now?